Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a fiery kiss. Now we're going to build this in our 16-ounce mixing glass, so we want to start by adding our ice. Our primary ingredient here is going to be a cinnamon schnapps. We're using Hot Damn, which is a really popular well brand. Personally though, I like to use Aftershock, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to be using this. So, we're going to add in 1.5 ounces or a 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there, we're going to add in some freshly squeezed honey. Just pouring a little bit around the glass. You're going to want to get your shot glass ready, of course. And we're going to mix and shake our ingredients between our mixing glass and our tin. Give the tin a little tap to break that seal that you created while mixing. And then simply strain your ingredients directly into your shot glass. Just like so. And you're going to have a really smoking, cinnamon tasting shot. Your fiery kiss. Enjoy.